Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Wallaby Gaming and Tech. My name is Siddharth, and I am here to tell you guys about Chrome Remote Desktop, which you can use to connect and access your computer from anywhere in the world, using smartphone. To install Chrome Remote Desktop extension, open web browser and simply type Chrome Remote Desktop. Open the first link. And then click on Setup Remote Access. After that, click on Continue Installation. Click on Edit and Create Pin. You need to make sure to use same Gmail account on both devices, your smartphone and PC. If you want to share your screen to someone or access, then click on Remote Support and generate code. Send the code to someone you would like to share screen with. If you like to access someone's computer, you need to write the code he has generated. On your smartphone, open Play Store. Type Chrome Remote Desktop. Download and install the app. Log in with the same Gmail account which you used on PC. Enter the PIN you created on your PC.